right. I'm going live. I'm live. Okay, so this is about to be a really crappy live session because it is me talking to myself. Hi, Gwemi. Very nice to see you there again. Look to restarting this journey, man. It's been a really long time since I've gotten back into it, since I've tried to get back into web development. This time particularly, I really want it to be different. That's that's why we're back to what did I title this video? Sort of learning to begin, rediscovering web development. About my history with web development is it's really been all over the place. This is probably the fifth time I'm renegotiating with myself what exactly I want to do and be, or like how I want to approach my web development journey. Um, it's always felt like a push and pull. Like I've been pulled towards it because I've always seen web development as a tool for creativity, as an opportunity for me to create something out of nothing. That's how I always describe it to people. That's what I love about development and coding in general. But at the same time, it's been this really heavy thing for me. My big brother, is a web developer, really good one. And I studied computer information systems at Lee University. Also went to digital crafts, coding boot camp. At some point in my life, also when I was 14, 15, I started a web company, a music distribution company, but it was an online company back in Nigeria, called M33, and it was using a WordPress website. Um, so I've always played around, and I say played around, I've always had technical or technically aligned ambitions. Always sort of envisioned myself playing in that space, but at the same time, I lacked the confidence. I lacked the feeling that I had what it took to do it properly. I always felt like it took someone with a technical mindset, someone who was good at math, which I never felt like I was. But as I've gotten older, I'm approaching 25. That's part of my motivation why I'm doing this. But as I've gotten older, I'm learning that a lot of the things I thought I just didn't have the capacity for, it was really about belief. It was about my mindset. It was about having that fixed mindset that all I had to offer was already inside of me. I couldn't increase my vessel, so to speak. I couldn't increase my capacity to learn. I couldn't um, take myself from being bad at math to being good at math, from being bad at this. I always thought everything was about talent, that you do the best with the talent you're given. The worst thing is wasting your talent. And that's all I tried to do, was maximize my talent and put it on display. But I never really tried to take myself from being bad at something and really changing my mindset about it. Anyways, long story short, I'm back here. My goal with these live streams, I'm going to be doing as many of these as possible. Nobody watching, if people get on this journey with me at some point, great, that'd be awesome. Obviously, I'm going to improve the setup. I am a videographer by day, a coder by night. It's 2:19 a.m. right now, so that's kind of how it's going to work with me. I'm going to switch my live stream setup to including this camera at some point. I'm also going to throw an OBS system in there so that you guys can see my screen. Maybe we can do some study alongs, whatever it's called, and play some music behind it. Hey, I have somebody else on this live stream with me. That is bizarre. Leave a comment. Let me know what's going on. Why are you here? But yeah, my goal today is just sit down, read through what exactly it is, like what exactly the path that I'm going to be charting with web development is, and make a plan for myself and just put in as many hours. So I was inspired by this article on the Free Code Camp Medium blog forum, by this guy. Let me just look at his name real quick. By Florin Pop, saying, "I finished the entire Free Code Camp curriculum in 1 month and recorded everything." So he's given me the blueprint. I imagine that the recording everything was for accountability, and that's what I think is sorely lacking. Accountability. For me, this is also an opportunity to document my journey, be able to go back and, look hopefully fondly at this time and say, okay, I tried something, and no matter what the outcome is, I decided to put myself out there and see what I could make out of my ambitions. Anyways, I'm rambling a bit. I'm going to reset my computer so I have my second screen. Um, I think I'm not going to worry about figuring out the OBS stuff. Maybe I should, because I definitely want to be able to share my screen and be able to toggle back and forth so that we can actually see what I'm learning and talking about here. So I'm gonna figure that out. I'm gonna shut the stream off, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Yeah, first video. We'll see you in a couple of minutes, baby. Bye.